In this video, I'm going to show you how to change font size in Webull Desktop. So the first thing you have to do here, you want to go to the very bottom left where you can see the settings icon, and in here you want to go inside general and then general settings, which is the first tab. In here it's going to say font size, but it says run Webull as an administrator to activate. So the first thing you have to do before we actually set the font size, we have to run Webull as administrator. So to do this, just exit Webull and make sure it's completely closed, by the way, so it's not open on your computer. Then go to the search box, look for Webull, and when you find Webull Desktop, right click it and click on Run as Administrator. Now it may ask you for your administrator pin. If it does, type it in, and then you'll be able to run it up like this. As you can see here, I am now over here inside my Webull. Let me just quickly actually navigate this. There we go. Okay. And now, as you can see, everything is very, very big. And that is because I actually changed it. So if I go to the settings down here again, and the font size is now large. So if I go to small again and I click on restart, it's going to look normal. So as you can see here again, I click on next. Now it's looking normal. However, if I go and make it a bit larger, so if I go to medium, for example, and I restart again, and I open up Webull yet again over here, you'll see that yes, things are a bit bigger. However, if you don't have a big enough monitor, it may basically reach out of your screen. So if I go put it to, let's just do larger over here and do restart and actually look for Webull. Yeah, there we go. It's automatically restarted. Now it's so big I can't actually navigate. Okay, so make sure you do have a big enough monitor if you actually want to use it. Otherwise, your best bet is likely going to be to use the smaller font. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.